Welcome to Review Diesel, guys. This is our Stage 2 Duramax LB7 Workhorse package. So this is aimed more towards guys that are hauling trailers, working their truck hard every day, loaded down with toolboxes. You need absolutely every ounce of performance you can get out of that truck, but you need to be safe, and this package deal is for you. Very similar to our Stage 1 power package. The only difference, our Stage 1 power package has a lot of potential that we don't tap into because we're not going to go crazy with tuning. The Stage 2 package, we're going to do custom tunes from PPEI. So we're doing a Fleece Cheetah drop-in turbo, upgraded MBRP 4-inch downpipe to keep the EGTs down. Whether you modify the exhaust behind that is totally up to you. I don't care. I'm not going to tell you have to have it. There's tons of companies that make really good aftermarket exhaust, downpipe back. MBRP is my personal favorite. They install very well. They hold up for many, many years. I've got customers that I've installed MBRP turbo back or downpipe back exhaust for 20 years ago. They're still running the same exhaust today. So there's a lot of options: 4-inch, 5-inch muffler, no muffler, tip, chrome tip, black tip, whatever. Find an exhaust that you love. We have them here on the website, reviewdiesel.com. But that is not required to make this package deal work, so I didn't include it. You're going to get the Fleece Cheetah Turbo, drop-in turbo, 75 horsepower, dynamite diesel performance injectors. That's where you're getting into the realm of custom tunes. You're really going to make those injectors work a lot better. A lot of people do start modifying these LB7s once they have injector issues. It's a big repair, it's a big job, it's a pain in the butt. So most guys go at this from the standpoint of, if I have to tear it down that far to do injectors, I want to do some upgrades. I want to get more performance. I want to get more fuel economy out of the truck or what have you. And that's exactly why I made these package deals the way I did. These are package deals that I have done, installed, recommended, written work orders up for years and years and years. And people are like, yeah, let's just do everything. And those guys are always so much happier than the guys that just got injectors. If that's your budget and you just need injectors, we can get you a set of injectors. That's not a problem. But if you're of the mindset that I'm tearing this thing down, I'm going to do some upgrades, I want to get better performance, I want to get better fuel economy, this is a package deal for you. With those bigger injectors, we're going to recommend the Fleece CP3K, which is an upgraded CP3 injection pump. We want to feed that thing more fuel so it doesn't fail again. Most likely that's why your injectors failed. Your CP3 was getting weak, it starves the injectors for fuel, etc., etc. Fuel contamination. Same fuel that went through and contaminated your injectors went through your CP3, so it's kind of that, you know, it's a good idea to replace the CP3 when you're doing the injectors, because whatever killed those injectors went through that CP3. So whether you had water in your fuel, dirty fuel, aerated fuel, you know, just old age, what have you, you don't want to go in and do injectors and have to go back in and do a CP3. That's a nightmare. Nobody enjoys that experience. I always recommend doing a FASS Fuel System on any Duramax, specifically over all other diesels. Duramaxes do not come with a factory lift pump. This causes a ton of fuel system issues. We see more fuel system failures on the Duramax side of the diesel industry than we do on any other platform. So do a Fleece SureFlow sending unit. It's going to ensure that your FASS Fuel System never runs out of fuel at a quarter of a tank. That's very frustrating and annoying and a pain in the butt to get primed back up. So with the SureFlow sending unit, that's never going to be a possibility. That's part of our package deal. I am going to recommend custom tunes with the 75 horse injectors. They're just going to run better. It's going to be cleaner. You're going to get better fuel economy out of them. It's going to be less smoky. Unless you request a custom tune that's very smoky, these tunes are going to be extremely clean. I only use PPEI tuning for all of our Duramax customers. They do a great job. This package deal is going to put you over the 450 horsepower mark. And for that reason, we're going to have to address the transmission. The Allison is a great transmission in stock form. Once you start pushing over 450 horsepower through it, we pretty quickly start seeing failures. So I recommend the Suncoast Category 1 for this power level. It's going to hold up just fine. Comes with a triple disc torque converter. It is expensive. It is pricey. It's a very robust unit. We've installed tons of them over the years, and I've never had to take one back. I haven't had to warranty one. They're just a really good setup from Suncoast. If you got lucky enough to have a man pedal in your truck and you got an LB7 with a ZF6, good for you. I'm super jealous, and you have my dream truck. for that, I included the South Bend organic series clutch. I think it's rated for like 550 horsepower, 500 horsepower. Not quite a dual disc, so it's still pretty mild-mannered on the street and pretty good to tow with, especially if you're hauling livestock and stuff like that. You don't want a really aggressive ceramic clutch. Those things are very unforgiving. So that's why I went organic with this package deal. But yeah, if you got any questions on it, any suggestions, recommendations that you've seen or things you've seen run better, you could go 100 different ways with this package deal. These are just parts that I've paired together for years and years and years, and I know they work great together. There's a lot of injector companies out there. You got S&S Motorsports, great company. You got Exergy, great company. I like DDP. Lenny Reed is just a good, close personal friend of mine. Known the guy for 20 years, kind of taught me a lot in the beginning. He runs an extremely tight ship when it comes to Bosch fuel systems and fuel injectors and modified injectors. So that's why I recommend Lenny. He does a great job taking care of customers. Any issues, he's very quick to address them and take care of people, and that's what we want to stand behind. That's what we want to sell. People that are going to give you a good experience so that we can give you a good experience. So check out the website, reviewdiesel.com. If you have any questions about this video, post them in the comments below. I will take the time to answer them. Subscribe if you haven't already. We appreciate that. And click on the little bell so you get notifications. We're dropping a huge series of videos. Ford, Chevy, Dodge, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3 power packages. This is a ton of effort on our end to put these package deals together. We hope you appreciate them. And if you've purchased one of our power packages, comment below and let us know how you like it. Appreciate you guys.